Peirol, how have you been so still that you've made no verse and no song? Answer me, by what reason long do you remain not singing at will? Do you leave it for ill or for good, for anger or joy, or for what you could? I want to know the truth and will. BERNART, singing gives me no grace, nor does it please me or seem good. But since you want our debates face, I have forced my will as I could. A song that doesn't come from the heart is vain, and since love's joy has left me in pain, I have left both song and delight's trace. For such a reason's art. If I had had a cruel heart to bear, I would be dead. A year has passed for my part, and still I cannot find mercy's key. Yet I do not give up song, you see, for two losses haven't struck me, I swear. BERNART, my heart is truly changed, for it is all other than it was before. I will sing no more in vain, estranged, but of you I wish, sing evermore, of her who does not hold you in her grace. And may you lose your friendship in that place. Fine words I have found of her, but none of them serve me so. And if she keeps a lion's heart, I know she hasn't shut the whole world round. For I know such a one, by my faith, whom I love more. If one kiss bequeathed than her, if she had given me all that's beneath. BERNART, it is well accustomed indeed. He who can do no more thus loses. And the fox said to the cherry tree this, when he had searched it completely for seed: I see the cherries fall from me, and they are worth nothing, said he. So you have mocked me, I concede. Peirol, cherries are good, that's true, but may I have evil if I ever believe that the fox hasn't tasted them too. BERNART, I don't meddle with that for you, but it grieves me by my good faith. I grieve that I have gained nothing there.